Do you need an all-natural bug repellent? Let's make this Bug Off Lotion Bar, so you can help soothe itchy, irritated skin and repel bugs. Because with this recipe, you'll go from go away bugs to free at last. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to make their own products using essential oils. Turn off distractions, making a ceiling, and get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. From your recipe box, grab your recipe card and Bug Fighter Essential Oil Blend and Simply Earth's custom blend that helps repel insects. From your big bonus box, you'll need beeswax and almond oil. And from your home or the Simply Earth shop, you'll need a soap mold. Let's get started. So our first step is to melt together our almond oil and beeswax. This is gonna give us the consistency and base for our Bug Off Lotion Bar. So I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of almond oil. You'll need 1½ tablespoons of beeswax. Let's go melt it. All right, now to my melted almond oil and beeswax, I'm going to add 30 drops of our Bug Fighter blend. This blend will help naturally repel insects, and it is also going to be soothing to little bug bites. So let's pour this into our mold. And now we will let it totally cool. And that can take from 1 hour to 4 hours. It's gonna cool from the outside first. So it might look like it's been totally cooled, but still be melted in the middle. So make sure to touch it before you take it out. Make sure the whole thing feels room temperature. And then maybe to be on the safe side, wait a little bit longer to remove it from the mold. Once it's totally cool, you can remove it from the mold. This little mold is a little finicky with its little boopy boops. So you'll want to remove it carefully. Oh, you can make this. Let's test it out. I love this Bug Off Lotion Bar because it helps repel insects without a nasty spray that makes you go I love to see your creations, so take lots of pictures, post them on social media with #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. The Simply Earth recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes. Go make it.